Welcome to the HAE Academy, our new learning management system designed to accelerate startup success through practical, experience-led learning. Our platform features a curated collection of courses and learning paths, all developed by Harvard Alumni Entrepreneurs to support founders at every stage. The Academy is designed for real learning, pre-recorded lessons for strategic depth, live office hours to apply decisions in real time, structured discussion forums, strategic quizzes, downloadable workbooks and course decks, and unique to the Academy, 60 and 180-day check-ins. This is not passive learning, it's applied execution. Learning here isn't one-dimensional, it happens in layers. Course materials include structured lessons with detailed descriptions and supporting PDF resources, making complex concepts accessible and actionable. Office hours are live working sessions where strategy gets applied. We dig into real metrics, test assumptions, and pressure test decisions in real time. And sessions are recorded for those who cannot attend live. Each week's discussion forum centers on a focus theme that builds progressively, creating a clear path from foundational concepts to advanced strategies. This is not a generic discussion board. Each week features structured prompts anchored in real strategic questions. The result? Conversations that sharpen thinking, not just fill space. Learning doesn't stop when the course ends. Founders continue to have access to the portal for 60 days after completion, along with the workbooks and session recordings. Unique to the Academy, we schedule follow-up check-ins months later to revisit key strategic decisions as your company evolves. This is continuity, not a one-time experience. This platform exists for one purpose: to help founders make better decisions, faster, with clarity and discipline. This isn't just a course platform, it's a founder operating system. Welcome to the Harvard Alumni Entrepreneurs Academy, practical wisdom for global founders.